So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tim Mcbaj, a portrait and fashion photographer based in London. So today I have something interesting to share with you guys. I need to take you through the behind the scene of a recent photo shoot I did at my studio. And to start off the shoot with, I have my amazing makeup artist and a beautiful model. Like, she's a vibe, yo. I swear guys, I was gassed all through this shoot. So her name is Kayla. I'm gonna place her Instagram handle right beneath this video, and the makeup artist, which I think you guys have always seen on this page, is Ines. Link is gonna be down on this stuff also. So guys, today I decided to try out something different because as always I just love trying out different stuff. So guys, I decided to try out shooting just a normal beauty image, and I decided to opt for this background color because I felt like I just needed it to be more contrast. The way I went about this is I literally just placed an octobox. Is it an octobox? Yes, softbox. I think about 5-inch softbox. I placed it on my light directly overhead. As you guys can see in this video right here, you could see because the model was actually sitting down here, the softbox was literally like almost at my hand level. So just because I just wanted that light to like be straight on, flat on her face, and also at the same time I decided to put a strip box directly beneath the model just to create a few lights under her neck so I don't have a whole lot of shadows going on. And that's how I got my first look, as you guys can see right here. And so just so you guys know, the main light which was directly up above is brighter than the fill light. The fill light is basically just meant to just reduce the amount of shadows you have on your subject. So moving on to the second look right now, the makeup artist decided to go for more of a, should I say, like a darker kind of makeup, which actually like suited the model's face really well. Actually added more contrast to her face. So I was like, okay, yeah, there's already contrast happening here and there's a bit of color on the eyeshadow. So I was like, okay, yeah, instead of adding extra colors again, let me just go back to my normal gray, because yes, you can never be caught slacking shooting on a gray background. It's one of my favorite backgrounds ever. So I decided to opt for the gray background for this look. Oops, pause. I think my camera panned down there, so take your face away guys. And guys, bear in mind, every time I'm actually like shooting, guys, I'm a vibe on my set myself. I make sure the model is excited, I make sure everyone on set is excited. So right here, the makeup artist was actually oiling the model's skin up, and I was like yo, I think I should be the one doing that. Like, come on girl. For the lighting setup for this one is quite interesting. So I decided to use about 4 different lights for this particular look, and my main light was actually the lights in the beauty dish, as you guys can see camera left, and also I had a hair light which was like in that strobe behind, which you guys can see right there, and at the same time I placed a 20-degree grid on this particular backlight or the air light, just so I don't want the light spreading all around. I just wanted the light just to separate my model from behind. And likewise, the third light was also more like a backlight this time. So this is not my hair light, this is a backlight which was actually in a strip box, and it's in a strip box and it was actually shining, or it was directed towards the background. And the reason why I did this was because I knew with my main lights being a beauty dish with a grid on, there will literally be no lights touching the background. That means the gray background is going to go almost black. So I decided to light up the background, but not fully, using the strip box just to create like a slitter of light on the background, you know, just creating different depths to the image. And finally, I also decided to add the fourth light, which was right behind me. I use that as a general fuel light just to reduce the amount of shadow I have falling on the model and the whole background in general. Just to reiterate, guys, main light was a beauty dish, air light was a light behind with a 10-degree grid, third light was the background light in the strip box, and the fourth light was just a bare bulb light pointed or directed to a wall to fill the general set. So at a point in time, also when the model was standing, I decided to turn off the few lights behind and just use a normal V flat just to bounce the light back, which is coming from the main light, the beauty dish. And guys, that's how we got these images. As you guys can see, the images are stunning, guys. I was really excited editing these images. So guys, if you really think you want me to like show you guys how I tend to like do my edits, you guys could just comment in the like comment section down below just so I can make a video for you guys. And yeah, I'm excited, guys. You guys are actually like subscribing. That's very interesting. Guys, let's go, let's get this YouTube channel like really popping, guys. So I hope you guys have been able to learn something in this video, and if you have, kindly like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And lastly, hit the notification bell icon to get notified as I upload new videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.